turn your scattered meeting notes into clear action items in 10 seconds. We've all been in a meeting, and almost everybody has faced these three problems: incomplete thoughts, you missed writing something, you're participating in the meeting, hence unable to write. And third biggest problem is, who was supposed to do what? AI is superpower in this sense. It can take your messy notes and clearly organize them, pull out action items, identify owners and deadlines, and create follow-up emails. And all you can always refer back to the notes in case you forget something. In this demo, we'll focus on three scenarios: cleaning up meeting notes after the meeting, creating agendas before the meeting, and writing follow-up emails. Let's look at the first demo, where we are turning the messy notes into a very professional outlook. So here is my prompt. I'm in this prompt, I'm saying turn my messy meeting notes into a clean summary with clear sections for discussion points, decisions made, and action items and next steps. Now, the notes that I scribbled during the meeting were, for example, budget increase, maybe 10%, John said, check with finance, new website launch, push to March, Sarah handling. So it's all scribble notes. So now we'll look at the output from ChatGPT. It'll be very clean, and you'll have 4 sections, like the meeting summary, the discussion point, the decisions made, the action items, and next steps. It's perfect. You can always take these notes, you can refer back to them, and it's very neat and clean, and it keeps you stay on track. Now, the second demo that we will look at is creating an agenda before you set up a meeting. Now, for that, we'll create a meeting agenda for a 30-minute project status meeting. The topics to cover: project status or current progress, budget status, upcoming deadlines, resource needs. Allocate time for each topic and leave 5 minutes for Q&A at the end. Now we'll look at the output on this one. It will be a perfect meeting agenda setup for you, with the time, with the topic, who is the lead. You can always edit some of these information later on before sending the invite. But if you send a meeting with such an agenda, everybody would be glued in. Everybody knows what they're expected. Everybody comes with their best outlook. Now, the third scenario that we would look up is follow-up emails. Let's say we had a meeting and now it's time to follow up on the action items. Again, so based on this meeting summary, let's say we write the summary from here. Let's say we just scribbled in the notes. Okay. So let's say we write this summary. Based on this meeting summary, write a follow-up email to all attendees, include action items with owners and deadlines. So crucial to add deadlines. Professional, and this is the tone of the email: professional but friendly tone. Now let's look at the follow-up email. So instantly ChatGPT looked at the summary action items and it just created a follow-up email highlighting who's the owner, what's the action item, what are the next steps, and so on. And you can always edit this later on, or give some more detail in the prompt for ChatGPT to generate an even better email that you can easily follow up with. Easy? Now there are some pro tips. Tip number 1, record meetings with permission and use AI transcription from tools like Otter AI, or there are plenty of tools now. Copy paste the transcription into ChatGPT for summary. The second tip, create an agenda template and save it. Just fill in the topics each time. Third tip, send follow-ups within 2 hours while memory is fresh. The common mistake that we make is don't always 100% rely on AI. Always verify the facts, like the action item, who's the owner, what's the deadline. Read the email so that you're sending the correct facts to people. If it's a critical meeting, that means it's even more important. Now, challenge for you in this video is, after your next meeting, use ChatGPT to summarize your meeting and give you action items, and use this technique and put it in the comments as to how much time it saved you while using AI in your meetings. Thank you.